This tutorial will be a quick overview of the Nimbus mobile phone app. Once you have downloaded the app onto your mobile phone and logged in per your service provider's instructions, open the Nimbus app. The first screen you will see is your home screen. From the home screen, you have access to the following: changing your call status from the available to do not disturb and vice versa. To do so, tap the green status icon and toggle on or off. In the upper right-hand corner, you have a screen refresh option. On the main part of the screen, there are menu options to access your voicemail messages, your company directory, Find Me, Follow Me settings, and presence group. Let's start with voicemail. Checking your voicemails is super easy with the Nimbus app. The voicemail button on my app shows 2 unheard messages. Inside the voicemail screen, you can see all messages, new and old. Voicemails are listed in chronological order with the most recent at the top. Caller ID, name, and number is displayed, as well as the date and time of the message. New messages are highlighted, so they are easy to identify. By sliding the voicemail to the left or right, you can delete a message or mark a message as new. Tapping the down arrow on the voicemail will reveal a player so you can listen to the message. The company directory lists all users and extensions in your company. These are listed in alphabetical order by first name. Tap the phone icon to the right to quickly call someone within your organization. If you would like to see the presence of a user, click the eye icon. If the phone handset icon is green, the user's phone is available. If an entry does not have an eye icon, that entry is not a device user. The Find Me, Follow Me allows you to control which of your phones will ring. You may have a phone at your desk, at home, and the Nimbus app. With this feature, you can control if the device will ring and for how long it will ring. You can also control where the call is directed to if you don't answer your phone. You can even set time routing settings to gain even more control. Remember to tap the blue Save button in the upper right-hand corner to save your changes. With presence groups, you are able to view the live status of any phone user in your organization. You will have an All Presence group, which will show the status of everyone within your organization as to whether their phone is available or not available at the time. The Nimbus app allows you to customize your own presence groups if you desire to. Setting up a group is very easy. Simply choose the Add Group icon, give a name to the group, and search for and select the users that you would like to have in this group. Then hit Save. The phone icon next to a user will have a color indicating if a user is available or busy. Green means a user is available. Yellow means the user's phone is ringing or they are in the process of making a call. And red means they are on an active call. Let's now move to the bottom of the home screen. There are tabs that access the keypad. Quick Dial, which is your favorites or speed dial list that you will customize if you want. The More tab takes you back to the home screen. A Contacts tab, which is synced from your mobile phone contacts. A Messages tab, if available, which allows you to send messages to numbers within your organization and to outside your organization. This feature is optional, so please contact your account rep if you are interested. And finally, there is a History tab, which shows all incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Let's go over how you set up your Quick Dial tab to give you access to your most commonly called numbers. The Quick Dial allows up to 50 speed dials to be saved in the app. When you open the Quick Dial page, you will see a plus sign in a little circle. Tap it to start. From this screen, you can add Quick Dials by manually giving the entry a name, an extension number or phone number, and if the number is in your organization, you can turn on the busy lamp so you can see when their phone is available or busy. You can also tap the person icon to pull a name or number from your contacts list within your phone. Once you find the contact you want to add, make sure you select the correct phone number if the contact has more than one listed. You can use the camera icon if you want to select an image for that specific speed dial. Tap Save once it all looks correct. Now you are ready to make calls from the Quick Dial tab. From your Keypad tab, you can do the following. Update your status, again, that is turning on or off Do Not Disturb. In the upper right-hand corner, you can access your settings via the gear icon. The gear icon offers the following settings: turning on or off incoming call notifications, accessing your preferences such as ringtones, sound audio controls, enabling of call forwarding, and other preferences. There is also information on the Nimbus app in the About and a Usage section. Now, let's go into how to make a call using your keypad. Enter the phone number or extension number of who you want to call. Notice there is a backspace option if you make a mistake. Also, once you have the number entered, there is an option to add it to your contacts if it's a new number. To activate the call, simply tap the green handset icon. Once you are connected, the active call screen offers you all the standard call features your desk phone offers. Hold, blind transfer or attended transfer, which allows you to talk to the transfer recipient before sending the call. You can start a conference call with the Add Call button. You can mute your side of the call. You can change your audio path from Bluetooth to speaker to mobile phone. You can access information about the call by tapping the blue eye icon. You can go back to the previous screen with the back arrow, or you can end the call at the bottom of the screen. As a reminder, there are 5 other ways that you can access to make an outgoing call. You can use your Quick Dial tab, which is your favorites or speed dial list. On the home menu, you can use your company directory list, or you can use your presence groups or groups. You can use your Contacts tab and or your History tab. Now you should be all set to use your Nimbus app. It's just that easy.